Hello, dear students. In our last discussion, we had intramural and extramural sport programs, and now today we are going to discuss about the specific sport programs. What is specific sport program? These are the programs of sport which are often not related to the competition. These programs are designed with multi objectives with their focus on well-being of an individual. The aim of program is to create awareness among the common people regarding unity and integrity, prevention and protection against various disease, etc. As you know that health is the man's biggest asset. We the human beings cannot progress or prosper unless we possess a good health. The health can be improved through various activities of physical education that is well known. Earlier, participation in these physical activities were limited for few people, but nowadays participation in these activities has widely increased for every member of the society. Today, there are various forms of physical activities which are participated at mass level involving large number of local people. These specific sport programs are like annual sport day, as in our school we have National Sports Day, cross country races, city marathon, health run, or within the city run, run for fun, run for unity, run for awareness in the sense of for certain any specific disease like AIDS, cancer, girls' health, boys girl ratio. These all things can be taken as for awareness. Run for a specific cause, run on a special day, etc. Basically, the purpose of these specific program is to enhance good health and fitness along with awareness for a specific cause for the benefit of society. So these things are there included in a specific sport program. There are few special sports which can be taken as a specific sport program that we are going to discuss now. First one is the sports day. It is organized in an institution once in a year to improve the all-round development of children. It includes various physical and recreational activities. Recreational activities means the activities which we can um, have to enjoy or to just for fun sake. So these are the recreational activities. These are very short activities and taking less time, and no equipment is used. So good, everyone can take part in that. And sport day provide ample opportunity to a student to participate in the activities of their choice. Many students get good experience of organization and administration. So these qualities also inculcate within the student if they participate in this on the sport day. Second one is a health run. It is organized by sport or health department to raise fund for charity and spread awareness about health and fitness. People of any age can participate in it by getting themselves registered in advance. Run for fun. This program creates awareness among people to keep themselves fit and healthy. There is fun and frolic while on run. There is no competition, so it is freely you can get there and you can enjoy. And it is commonly organized to raise fund for charity for any special reason. Run for unity or for integrity. This program inculcate unity, peace, and harmony among people. Its purpose is to develop togetherness, brotherhood, and national integrity. It mostly have long distance rally events or races to promote collective efforts. So these are the programs which are oftenly organized by some organizations or by some institutes to get the people involved in sport activities and for some reason. So these are the specific sports program. I hope you all have understood it well. Now today's assignment, you have to write few lines about any two specific sport program. So hope you understood and write your assignment properly. And stay safe, remain home, have good food and exercise every day. Thank you.